Hey everyone, warm welcome to HSPN World of Chemistry. Today I'm here to give you the roadmap for your short selection. Here I'm going to announce one batch. Its name is Rankus batch. Before I move ahead, before I tell you about the topics, chapters, subtopics, and the sequence to get full marks in chemistry, definitely short selection, right? That is waiting for you kids. Why I have given this batch name is Rankus batch. So see, Rankus batch I'm calling because Baba HSP has produced ranks, and this is not possible only from my side. Kids, I need your dedication level, that time. I will tell you what time I require. I will not take too much time, right? From one day, I need only few slots, 2 slots. I will tell you the timing, okay? That will remain continue for 45 days. My dear students, say in the chat section, comment section, yes, you are going to follow it. If you're not able to follow it, leave this video. This is only for dedicated students who want to get rank AIR 1, AIMS 3rd rank, AIMS 4th rank, NEET 5th rank 715 marks, 1st rank 715 marks. Now my dear students, how you can believe on this HSP. Before I start, let me take few seconds to tell you about HSP. Those who know who is Baba HSP, they to know very well, but those who are new, let me introduce myself. Say, this is Baba HSP, 27 plus years of teaching experience, completed my MTech with very good marks, excellent marks, and top position in 2004 from HBTI Kanpur. I have completed my MSc in 1999, gold medalist, and produced number of ranks, so 2 postgraduate degrees. Now let me come back to the schedule, to the Rankus batch. Now here is the announcement of Rankus batch, and its timing will be in the morning every day, before your NEET, up to your whatever to say, what's 2 days before the NEET. And this Rankus batch will remain continue. If you want to ask any question at night, in the morning, anytime, in the Telegram group, I will put the link in the description. I will ask the team, right? Join that Telegram group. You can ask any question. Baba will be available every time to answer your question, right? The question should be a genuine question. First, you have to try it. Now, the timing is morning 11 a.m. every day and evening 7 p.m. Now, morning 11 a.m. I will take 90 minutes. Evening also I will take 90 minutes. 90 minutes to 2 hours, right? It can be 90 to 120. Here I will come with all previous year asked questions plus NCERT hidden lines plus missing part of NCERT. I will bring all the MCQs, previous year asked questions, and I will tell you the explanation of those numericals concept in detail. Is it correct? Is it correct, kids? Yes, you're going to follow it. Now come to the sequence. Now see kids, here is first chapter. You're supposed to do atomic structure. The sequence matters a lot. Atomic structure, Bohr's model, graphs of hydrogen spectrum which are given in NCERT and missing in NCERT. I will help you, and then quantum numbers. Now second is your periodic table. Sequence matters a lot. Periodic table, fix the modern periodic table in your brain, the period wise and group wise, right? Once the thing is done, then only come to electronic configuration and then ionization energy and electron affinity, and after that atomic size. Once you have completed this, definitely Baba will put a session on PYQs, right? Now next one is, just give me a second, next one is your mole concept. People are starting mole concept on the first time. They are going to say, oh, I'm going to start with mole concept. I will do rest of the things later on. My dear students, once you don't know the periodic table, don't come to the mole concept. First, atomic structure. Second, the periodic table. And the third number is your mole concept. In this atomic mass unit, that is U, unified mass, gram molar mass. Stoichiometry, you should have a good command on stoichiometry. Law key, LOCE, law of chemical equivalence. Try to kill the N factor over here only. So the concentration, why I have written this in big font, in big size, concentration. You have to concentrate over here because the molarity, normality will come in all the chapters once you having a very good command on concentration, molarity, the dilution formula, the milli-equivalent. You can kill every chapter. Definitely you're going to get that confidence. Yes, I can do anything, my dear students. Mark my words. Categorically, I'm telling you this particular point. Once this is completed, now come to chemical bonding. Chemical bonding, the backbone of chemical bonding is hybridization. From hybridization you will get from steric number. Steric number, to get steric number, you should know sigma bond and lone pair. Lone pair knowledge you will get from the periodic table. I've told you the sequence matters a lot. So you will get steric number. From that you will get hybridization. From that you will get electronic geometry. From that you will get the shape. From that you will get dipole moment. That's why I'm telling you, my dear students, sequence holds a whole lot of weightage. Now, my dear students, this shape, dipole moment, bond angle, bond order, Fajans rule you can do, right? Once again, you are in Ranku's batch every day, 11 a.m. in the morning and evening 7 p.m. every day. Now, GOC. Once you have done chemical bonding, you can jump to GOC. That is very, very important part. Now, in GOC, the thing required is IUPAC and isomerism. Then these electronic factor, yes, first complete inductive effect. Then only you can understand hyperconjugation. And after that, resonance. After all these three things, the application of these three to determine the carbocation stability, carbanion stability, free radical stability, acidic strength, basic strength, aromaticity, and anti-aromaticity. I hope this is clear. Once you have done this theory, Baba is once again going to ask questions and going to explain each and everything. 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. right? Now, once you have completed this, sixth, complete your organic chemistry. How you are going to complete organic chemistry? Chapter wise NCERT that you have to follow later on. First, divide the thing according to these three reactions, total three types of reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. That first, the substitution, nucleophilic substitution is the part of substitution, elimination, addition. And substitution is further divided into three parts, NSR, ESR and FRSR, and they are further divided. You can see the elimination, these are of the type dehydrohalogenation, dehalogenation, dehydration, and then addition. Addition is further divided in three parts, FRAR, nucleophilic addition reaction, and electrophilic addition reaction, right? Sixth sequence, sixth part. Is it clear? On seventh number, all name reactions, organic chemistry, all name reactions. Just after 1 hour, I'm going to take a class to give the short trick as well as in detail about all name reactions. Name reaction, once you know the reactant, the reagent and the product, then later on go for their intermediates and the mechanism. Not every reaction's mechanism is required. HSP sir will give mind map based on this. Now, coordination chemistry. Once you have completed all these things, jump to coordination chemistry, the chapter which holds a hell lot of weightage. Maximum things will come from there. Every time, Baba HSP will keep a class 7 a.m. in the morning and 7 p.m. 11 a.m. in the morning and 7 p.m. in the evening. Now, after coordination chemistry, block DNF. DNF block, and in DNF block what you have to study, where you have to focus to get 100% marks, the thing is periodic trends, periodic events. Once you are you're able to go through the periodic trends, you have to think about the lengthenoid contraction. Lengthenoid contraction is very, very important. Once you know lengthenoid contraction, then only you can focus on oxidation state, oxide stability, and then two topics which are very, very important, really very, very important. Potassium dichromate, its preparation and its chemical properties. Strong oxidizing agent. KMnO4, the KMnO4, its changes in acidic medium, neutral medium, faintly alkaline medium, and strongly alkaline medium, and the reactions. Already I have given one mind map, and the bigger one I will give later on, right? Now after this, thermodynamics. This is really, really very, very important chapter, whose role is in all the three branches of chemistry: physical, organic, and inorganic. So where you have to focus: intensive and extensive properties, state function, path function, degree of freedom, the sequence. Once again, the sequence plays very, very important role. You have to go like this: then d dot degree of freedom, heat capacity, and that first law of thermodynamics, that is change in entropy is equal to Q plus W, isothermal in adiabatic process, and then entropy. And thermochemistry, then in this delta H, delta S, delta T, HS, your HS. Now once you have done all these things, redox. I would like to say redox can be at 11th position or after chemical bonding. Once you have done chemical bonding, AMU, atomic mass unit, that mole concept, you can go with the redox. What is required for redox? Periodic table, atomic structure, and the mole concept. You can do this redox at that point also, means on 4th or 5th number, right? Now chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. Once the mole concept and concentration is clear, it's not necessary that you should come at this should come at the 12th number. This can be that's your choice. I have kept it over here because according to the weightage, right, according to the sequence. But if you want, that's your choice. You can complete it on 6th or 7th number, just after the redox. Once the redox, concentration, mole concept, chemical bonding is clear, you can go with this ionic equilibrium to make it easy peasy lemon squeezy. Daily classes, Rankus batch, 11 a.m. in the morning with PYQs and detailed explanation, NCERT hidden lines, missing part of NCERT, and evening 7 p.m. 11 a.m. 7 p.m. all 45 days, right? Now next is solution chapter. Once the concentration is clear, solution chapter, you can go with this. Now electrochemistry. Once again I would like to say, once the concentration is clear, electrochemistry means it's done and dusted. In electrochemistry, what is important, very, very important, is electrochemical series. Once you know the electrochemical series, 20% of chemistry that will enter in your hippocampus automatically. Electrochemistry and its application. Its application is in the physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, electrochemistry, everywhere. Mark my words, analytical chemistry, that I will add. Now, Nernst equation, Nernst equation, and electrolysis. Now, my dear students, chemical kinetics, zero order, first order, the graph, T half like that. Everyone knows. Now, what is the thing which I am going to write over here? Once you have completed each and everything, the master stroke. Master stroke will come over here, my dear students. That is your analytical, and that analytical chemistry will give an idea about the practical chemistry. But I would like to say, this is just the application, whatever I have written over there. It's pure application of those things only. So now kids will say, sir, Where is Dumas and Geldahl's method, that purification of organic compound? That once again, the application of mole concept. Mole means, if I talk about Geldahl method, if I talk about Dumas method, they are not new things. These are based on mole concept only. I have told you, if you know concentration, you can do each and everything, my dear students. You can do each and everything. Now, once again, let me tell you the redox and thermodynamics application. Redox and thermodynamics application, a little bit idea about P block. You can do it yourself because it's not required. Nothing new is required. By the application of those things, you can do this thing. If you're going with all these things, my dear students, mark my words, you are going to get 80% knowledge. Now, what I am saying, sir, what are you talking about? 80% knowledge? Yes, my dear students. Once you are having 80% knowledge about your concepts, because MCQs are given over there, you will get 100% marks. How to get 100% marks from 80% knowledge, that I will let you know once I'm going to tell you scientific strategy. I will not say that it's the Tukka strategy. I will tell you how to eliminate out the options. But yes, what you are hearing is 100% correct. If you are having 80% knowledge, my dear students, you will get 100% marks in your NEET 2026. Remember that. That is the magic. NEET 2026. You will get 100% marks if you are having 80% knowledge. And this is the true words from Baba's side. Baba HSP is the name of 100% trueness, hard worker, dedicated, and not a cheater. I will never ask even for a single rupee. Never ask to just to get enrolled for any batch. Okay, 100% I'll be here. That chemistry by HSP. The true rankers batch. I'm calling it rankers batch. I should have written over here the true rankers batch, because number of people, they will say it's a rankers batch, their batch is rankers batch, but mine is really true rankers batch. Better to say true rankers batch, because this teacher is dedicated, consistent, and 100% true, not a fake in this fake world. Bye to all of you. Whatever you want, you can write in the comment section. Baba and the team will see all those comments. I will go through all those comments and I will rectify your problems, right? Your problems means a NEET 2026 aspirants problem means Baba HSP's problem. I will definitely solve all those problems as soon as possible to make your future bright. Rest timetable for class 11th and JEE students I will share very soon. This true rankers batch is only I made for NEET 202, NEET 2026 batch. My dear students, all the best, all the best. Now class will start at 11 a.m. This I'm going to start from today only, and your name reaction classes at 11 a.m. All of you are welcome. Bye kids.